Want to download and install NTE, Neverness to Everness on your PC? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get the game installed and ready to play. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type NTE, Neverness to Everness. Press Enter and click on the first official link. Once you're on the website, click on Download Now, then select Windows. Now wait for the installer to download. Locate the file you just downloaded. Double-click the installer. When prompted, click Yes. Select your preferred language, then click OK. Press Install to continue with the installation. Now wait for the game client to download and install. Once the installation is complete, click on Play. Now choose how you want to log in. You can either sign in or create a new account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to play NTE, Neverness to Everness on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.